Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Google Pixel 7 Pro. This will be my first ever flagship phone that I have pre-ordered and received on released. So right now we just have a cardboard box, just got some like security tape. Okay. There we go, here it is. The Pixel 7 Pro. Quite a small box actually. I haven't got a phone in a while, but it seems smaller. So I have purchased the Pixel 7 Pro 256 Obsidian color. So let's open these here. I think you can just tear these. Oh, that's nice. That feels nice. Okay, and then if I can just, that is that is shiny. Wow, I get my fingerprints on that already. That is very shiny. You can even see my face reflection. You look close. Wow. Okay, so it looks like this is a pull tab. Okay, it's got some instructions here. The SIM card. Got a volume and on button, in case you don't know. Peel that away. You can see the slight bump in where the cameras are. Not too bad though. Especially with the camera I saw. You can already see the fingerprints all over it. I'll be getting a case. I have a temporary case. Won't be too much of an issue. So what else do we have in here? Put this down here for now. Looks like we have, what's in this little package? Okay, that's just the SIM card remover tool and warranty guide. So it looks like it does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is good. Just not a power bank. I do have a power bank for my old Pixel. Currently have a Pixel 3A. So this is a big upgrade. Anything underneath this bit? No, that is glued in. That is glued in. Let's see if this thing turns on. I don't want to break it. It just feels like it was very, very solid, which is nice. It feels sturdy. It's so shiny. It's all screen. Down the bottom, it's got the USB-C and looks like it's got two speakers there. Let's see if it's got any battery left to turn on. Here we go. Oh, I felt a vibration. There you go, look at that. All screen. That's ridiculous. And there we go. I've got to set it up now. Ooh. You can feel a bit of a vibration when it bounces. That's cool. And there you have it. That's just a quick unboxing of the brand new Pixel 7 Pro, the Obsidian color. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.